Ear hair check. Nose hair check. Poke it back up. Hello. Have you been making music a while but still struggle to finish tracks, or can't get your mixes to sound like your favourite artist? Well, discover the pieces you're missing by making a track from start to finish and learn step by step how to get a complete and professional sounding song that people don't want to stop listening to. Just click the link, choose your genre, and take the next step on your journey to becoming a better producer. Click the link. Click the link.